Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the oogenesis. Oogenesis is the process of formation of mature egg or ovum from the oogonial cells or the ovum mother cells. Oogenesis takes place in the female gonad called ovary in utero, that is, when the female fetus is present inside the uterus before the birth. Oogenesis involves three stages, that is, multiplication phase, growth phase, and the maturation phase. The multiplication phase involves multiplication of germinal epithelial cells of the ovary called as the oogonium or the egg mother cell. The second phase of oogenesis is the growth phase that involves increase in the size of oogonium to form primary oocyte, which is arrested in prophase of meiosis 1 till stimulated. Each primary oocyte is surrounded by single or multiple layers of follicular or granulosa cells. And the last phase of oogenesis is called as the maturation phase, in which primary oocyte undergoes meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 to form mature egg and three polar bodies. As a result of first unequal meiosis, a smaller first polar body and secondary oocyte is formed. The first polar body undergoes mitosis to form two polar bodies, while secondary oocyte undergoes meiosis 2, which is equivalent to mitosis, to form mature ovum or egg and a second polar body. Thus, as a result of single oogenesis cycle, a single large mature ovum or egg and three smaller polar bodies are formed, though oogenesis and spermatogenesis are the part of gametogenesis in which egg and sperms are formed. There are fundamental differences between the two. The ovum formed as a result of oogenesis contains all the material required for growth and development. The sperms, on the other hand, are essentially just the motile cells contributing paternal genes to the zygote. The sperms are motile and elongated, while the egg is round and immotile. Oogenesis involves unequal cytokinosis, producing larger oocytes and smaller polar bodies, while all the sperms formed during spermatogenesis are of equal size. Oogenesis starts before the birth of female, while spermatogenesis starts after puberty in males. Oogenesis differ in species that produce thousands of eggs at a time, like sea urchins and frogs, and those that produce fewer eggs, like humans and most other mammals. The oogonia of organisms that produce thousands of eggs are self-renewing stem cells, while in others, oogonia divide to become fewer egg precursor cells. For example, in humans, about 1000 oogonia divide rapidly to form about 7 million germ cells or oogonia, most of which die after 7th month of gestation and enter in first meiotic division. Thank you.